Would you like to realize your baby's hidden potential? Do you want to provide your baby with the best possible essential skills to ensure their successful future development? Would you like to attain everyday tools to bring your baby to their full developmental potential? How about joining thousands of other parents who are already realizing their baby's full potential today? BabyPillars video tutorials provide you with the tools, support, and assistance you need to realize your baby's full developmental potential from birth. BabyPillars tutorials will guide you as parents in how to create an appropriate, nurturing, developmental environment within the conditions of modern life so that your baby can develop in the best way possible. Select your baby's current age and begin the fun. Your baby can only grow from here.